Chicken and mushroom magic when this old man cooks. Welcome to Kitchen Kingdom, where this old man throws down to chow down. In this second to last episode of season 4, I'm going to prepare a quick and easy chicken dish with a lot of mushrooms and some wilted spinach. So let's get ready to rattle some pots and pans. First thing we're going to do is melt our butter down to saute our mushrooms. Now, as I said in the intro, this is mushroom magic. You can use any combinations or just one mushroom if you'd like. For this, I have portobello, oyster, crimini, shiitake, and brown beach mushroom. I'm going to go ahead and add a sprig of thyme, and then go ahead and add my mushrooms. You can add as much or as little as you'd like. Just let these babies absorb some of that butter and thyme. And take your time, even though this is quick and easy. Now we're going to take the mushrooms up to this point here. You don't want to get them to mush. And we're just going to transfer them to another plate, leaving the mushroom goodness in the pan. Now we have some thyme and some mushroom flavor in that butter. What I'm going to do here is add about 1 cup of vegetable stock, and some cream. I'm going to let that get up to temperature. And then we're going to start adding some butter that has been dredged in flour to thicken this. So now that our sauce is up to temperature, I'm just going to add some cloves of knife crushed garlic. We're going to give this a little seasoning of a little salt, and a little pepper. Not a lot of pepper because the spinach is going to have some bite to it. Now we're going to start with our butter that had been dredged in flour. And that's going to help thicken this. Now that our sauce is nice and thick, we're going to go ahead and add some more thyme. We're going to remove this from the heat until we're ready for it. Here we have our skillet with a little bit of oil in it. What we're going to do is we have our chicken cutlets dredged in some flour. We don't have to brown this because it's going to be covered by the sauce we made, but we do want to get it cooked. When these are done, we're going to set it aside until we're ready for it. Now, in the same pan that our chicken had been cooked in, we're going to add in some of our heat. In this case, it's a poblano. You can add any heat you'd like. And a little bit more garlic. Now we're going to add our spinach. We're just gonna let this wilt down. Now we are ready for plate up. We will begin with the spinach that has been wilted in the garlic and the poblano peppers. Followed by our chicken breast, whose internal temperature came up to the maximum of 167 degrees. We're gonna treat them to some of our sauteed mushrooms, followed by the lovely thyme sauce. And I'd say, let's chow down.